Hi, this is Mike from Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and today we're going to take a look at the world's most advanced car wireless charger. Keep watching to find out more. Okay, so this is the in-car QI wireless charging phone adapter. Now this is a technological masterpiece. It is an automotive phone charger. So literally you power it in from a USB-C from your cigarette lighter or your accessory adapter, and this will charge your phone without any need for any wires or any other things. Literally get in the car, grab your phone, put it near the charger, the arms will open, put your phone on the dock, and it will wirelessly charge your device. Now this will charge devices using the quick charge feature. So this supports 10 watt, 7.5 watt and 5 watt quick charge devices. So iPhone 8, Android devices, Samsung Galaxy 9, all that kind of thing. So basically anything that supports the QI standard, you can use in this and it will charge your device, keep it nice and secure, and hold your device during its journey. Which makes me wonder, who actually comes up with these kind of ideas? Okay team, so we need to design a new car charger. It's got to be good, it's got to be great for the people. I need your ideas. What's happening? Make it rainbow coloured? That'd be cool. Desmond, what have you got for me? Well, how about we make it, I don't know, maybe green. Put a load of solar panels on it so it charges itself without having to use electricity. Okay, Desmond, I can see where you're going with this. It's green, it's good. What about our people in the UK who get 2 weeks of sunshine a year? Who's next? Tony, give me some good ideas. What have you got for me? Well, why don't we make it the most technologically advanced car charger they've ever seen? We can use motorized arms, we can use wireless charging. Okay, sounds good. Can we do it? Can we do it at a good price? Yeah, I'm sure we can do it at that price. That's why I hired you, Tony. You're good. Okay, so that is the thought process behind this. Maybe, possibly. So let's have a look, see what we actually get. So first of all, you get a clamp. So this is to clamp onto the air vents in your car. You get a adjustment ring or tightening ring. You get a USB Type-C cable with USB Type-A on one end. So you can plug that into pretty much any cigar lighter or AC adapter type thing, anything with USB essentially. This will take up to 2 amps, so anything up to 2 amps absolutely fine. And you get the device itself. So all you need to do is put the adapter on the back, or the tightening adapter. You've got the ball, goes in, snaps into place, and then you just tighten up the adjuster on the back until it's secure and you're good to go. Now the actual car adapter will rotate actually on the ball, so if you're using the phone in portrait mode, no problem at all, or maybe if you want to watch some videos or you've got a sat-nav program, you can just twist it around 90 degrees or whatever it may be to look at it in your desired orientation. Now the USB cable, as I said before, plugs in underneath. You've got a USB Type-C connector, which you just plug in, so it doesn't matter which way around you put it. And also on the bottom, there are 2 LEDs which light up. One is a green LED to say that you're getting power from the USB source, and the other one is a blue LED, which will come on when the wireless charging is activated. Also, obviously, when you put your phone or whatever device is actually on the cradle, you'll get a light on the device itself to say it's charging anyway, but you've also got that extra LED so you can see if it is charging. So on the device itself, on the front, you've got 2 infrared sensors. So when the device comes in close to it, the arms will open, which I'll show you in a second. And also on the back, there is also another touch sensor. So you press the touch sensor on the back and this will release the arms so you can take the device off. So let's plug it in and see how it works. So there, as you see, when you plug it in for the first time, it will open and contract just to sort of regulate the motors so they know what position they're in. And all you do then is get your device and get it near the actual charging cradle. And there we go, safe and secure. Not going anywhere. And if you want to release it, all you do is just put your finger towards the back and it will open and release again. Amazing. So the technology in this is fantastic. So you've got touch sensors, IR sensors, and you've got a QI wireless charging. So let's try that again. So even if you're a little bit quicker than the device for registering, as long as you seated at the bottom, it'll just fall into place. Now all of these actual cradle arms and also the base have all got nicely rubberized finishes, so you're not going to scratch or damage your prized possession. Also as well, the arms and the actual surround of the phone charger itself, the cradle, is all made in a very high quality scratch resistant plastic, so it's going to keep on looking nice for the long term. So looking back round at the actual clamp, the clamp itself has got a nice spring to it, and it's actually a very stiff spring, so once you put it onto the actual air vents in your car, and it will fit pretty much 100% of all air vents. Most air vents are all the same, just a flat piece of plastic, so this is designed to grip onto those. And actually the jewels themselves are also rubber lined as well, so you're not going to cause any damage. You know, when you kind of get that plastic on plastic, the rubberized finish on the jewels is actually going to protect the finish of your car, so you can put this in and have no worries at all about scratches, damage or anything like that. I would have loved to have been able to show you the actual wireless charging mechanism itself, but unfortunately my phone, the P10 Lite, doesn't have wireless charging, and the wireless charging device which I've ordered hasn't arrived yet, so I'm unfortunately not ready for this review. But if I do get the device in time when I'm still editing this video, I will add it on to the end of this video. But as you can see, it is actually a really nice device. Holds your phone really securely. Now this is a relatively medium-sized phone. This one's about 5.5 inches screen, but you can put larger devices like the iPhone 8 Max, all those kinds of things. Any of the larger devices it will cater for. If you're worried about if your phone will fit or not, then I'll leave a link in the description below so you can check out the actual manufacturer's website and see if your device is going to be compatible. But essentially, Android devices, iOS devices, or even a Windows device if it supports it, as long as they support the QI standard for charging, this is going to be absolutely fine for your device. So I've been Mike, this is Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To. This has been the world's most technologically advanced car charger, and we'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.